welcome one more time to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today my recipe is going to be Mexican rice. It's delicious and it only needs a few ingredients, and I can't wait to show you. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My few ingredients. I have tomato, 1/4 of an onion, 1 garlic clove, chicken bouillon, vegetable oil, chicken broth, and the star, of course, my rice. I can't wait to start with this recipe, so let's get started. Want to do first is prepare my sauce for my rice. I'm gonna cut my tomatoes in fourths. I like to do it this way. I have my small saucepan. I'm gonna add my tomatoes, add my onion, my garlic clove, my chicken bouillon, and to this, I'm gonna add my chicken broth to give it that special taste to my rice. Just enough to cover the tomato and the onion, and we're gonna take it to the stove. I'll see you over there. Okay, I turned my stove on. I'm gonna add my saucepan, and I'm gonna let it cook until the tomato has softened completely. I'll see you when that is done. What I like to do here is I'm going to rinse my rice completely until I get all the starch completely out. And this is how I love to do it. I just do it like this until the water runs clear. Okay. My rice is ready to be cooked. I turned on my stove. I'm putting my pan. I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil before I add my rice. The pan is hot. I am ready to add my rice. And we are just going to fry it for about 8 to 10 minutes. I'll show you when it changes color. I want to show you how the rice has changed color. Now it's completely light golden brown. This is the time when we add our sauce. Okay, this is ready. I'm gonna turn it off and I'll see you when I'm ready to blend. I am ready to make my sauce for my red rice. What I'm going to do is add all my tomatoes, my onion, my garlic clove, and then I am ready to mix. Okay, let's mix. Perfect. Okay, I'm just going to add my juice here. And I am ready to take it to the stove and add it to my rice. Okay, I am ready to add my tomato sauce. Okay, we're gonna mix it very well, and we're just gonna add a little bit of the chicken broth. Okay, this is enough. We're gonna mix it very well, and we're gonna lower the heat to medium low. I'm going to cover it, and I'll see you when this is done. I can't wait for this rice to be done so I could taste it. When it starts to boil this way, we're gonna cover it and just reduce to very, very low. Very, very low. Perfect. See you in a little bit. My rice is ready. Look how soft it is. Really soft. Okay, I can't wait to taste it. See you in a little bit. My friend, my rice is done. I can't wait to taste it, to see how it came out. I added for garnish a little bit of serrano chili. And let's see how it tastes, because this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. This rice came out delicious. I hope you could make it at home. It's very simple to make, but very delicious. Thank you so much for watching my video from start to end. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share my video on social media, to press the notification bell so whenever I make a new recipe, you are notified. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Before I tell you goodbye, I wish you peace and love. Bye-bye.